How to scan hardware changes in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to make Windows manually detect newly connected or missing hardware devices on your computer. First, connect the hardware device you want Windows to detect, like a USB drive, printer, or webcam. After that, right-click on the Start menu. From there, click on Device Manager from the menu that appears. At this point, a window will open showing every device currently recognized by your computer, sorted into categories. In the next step, click on the Action tab at the top of this window. Following this, click on Scan for hardware changes from the dropdown. Once done, Windows will now search your system for any newly connected or previously undetected devices. From here, wait a few seconds while the scan runs in the background. At this stage, if any new hardware is found, it will automatically appear under the relevant category in the list. Keep in mind, this scan mainly helps with devices that didn't install automatically or that Windows failed to detect the first time they were connected. After this, expand categories like Universal Serial Bus Controllers, other devices, or sound, video, and game controllers to look for your device. Following this, if you see a device listed with a yellow warning icon, this usually means it's missing a proper driver. Once done, right-click on that device and select Update Driver. From here, choose Search Automatically for Drivers, and Windows will attempt to find and install the correct one online. At this stage, if Windows can't find a driver automatically, you may need to download it manually from the manufacturer's website instead. Keep in mind, some hardware, especially older or specialized devices, may require manufacturer-specific software rather than relying on Windows' built-in driver search. Finally, once the driver installs successfully, the warning icon should disappear, confirming the device is now working properly. And that's it. If this guide helped you scan hardware changes in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.